Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the Sabre 37RVMILES featuring the Sabre Sun Deck. Firstly, here in the kitchen, you can see we have a ton of counter space in here with the U-shaped countertop, the workstation sink as well here in your kitchen. All of these accessories are included with this unit. And we have a bunch of storage in the kitchen as well. So you can open these cabinets here, you can pull out this drawer, you can see how much extra space is in there that meets the eye. Also up top here, for you coffee drinkers, we have a special spot here for your K-cups. You can put all of your K-cups that you love right there in that storage. We also have large appliances here too. So this is a 16 cubic foot French door fridge. That's a 12-volt fridge. The 30-inch microwave, the large stovetop, as well as a good size oven here in your kitchen too. Then across the way, so here's your pantry. So you can put all your goodies in here. So tons of space there for your food, extra pots and pans, whatever you want. Now here in the living room, we have this large L-shaped couch right across from this huge TV, as well as a 60-inch fireplace. And this couch will actually turn into a large sleeping space as well. So you just remove those cushions there, then bring this bed out. You can see how big of a sleeping area you have here right in your living room, across from the sun deck here. So you have a large lookout area on your campsite there. A lot of window space right there with your patio as well. Also accessible from the sun deck is your back flex room here. So if you step in here, you can see there's a ton of space in here. You have a lot of storage in here as well on your wardrobe slide. In here you got hanging space as well as some extra shelf space. And all these cubbies down below are included as well. So you have a lot of areas there where you can put clothes, shoes, all that good stuff. And then another little drawer here that will pull out. And the front of this can fold down too. So if you need an extra desk space, you've got a little working area there as well. Now, pull down this screen here. We also have a projector here in your flex room as well, so you can watch movies, TVs, you can use your video games on this screen as well, and that'll fold right up as well. You also have extra storage on the flooring as well, so you can pull out that drawer there. This step folds up too, with another drawer below that as well. So tons of extra hidden space in here to store whatever you want. This couch will fold into a bed, nice good sized sleeping area down below, and then up top as well you have an L-shaped sleeping area. If you don't need it for sleeping, it can also be great for storage. Works as a little attic up there as well. Now here in the bathroom, a couple things as well. So you have this extra linen storage in there that'll pull right out of the wall. So you can put towels, extra toothpaste, that good stuff there. And then also in the medicine cabinet here. So beautiful mirror with that lighting there too. Extra storage in there. And then the one-piece molded fiberglass shower there as well. So good size there too. You have the extra skylight in the top there for your taller campers as well. Now here in your master bedroom, so this is your screen here in front of your window, which doubles as another projector screen too, which works with your projector that we ship with every unit here. That's going to be a smart projector, it's HD, and you can connect your HDMI right there in your wall as well. So you don't have to worry about dragging cords all over the place. You can just hook it up right next to the bed there as well. Then up here in your closet, you have your stackable washer dryer prep right there too. So a good amount of space in this closet as well. Full hanging area there as well as this shelf space too.